Well, it's time for the first episode of Curb Your Feelings.
On this episode, take a look at this video.
I see.
Only with text on the screen. Also, Felix be like, I'm gonna pull the fire drill in these games. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fire drill. Well, nice try, Felix, because the one in Blueberry, they're key activated only, so you can't pull that. And if you pull the one in Columbus Parking Garage, it's gonna kill you. You get nailed on the vine boom. So nice try. Don't even try. Yeah, just don't try. And just find better things to do according to this comment right there. And now that'll be it for today's episode.